This is Karcher's T10-1 Eco-Efficiency Dry Tub Vacuum Cleaner. As well as being a tough, simple and productive vacuum, it has special features to dramatically reduce energy consumption and noise. The T10-1 Eco-Efficiency weighs only 6 kilograms and features a carry handle on the top, large wheels at the back and swiveling casters at the front, making it very easy to move around. It's got a large on-off switch on the top that can even be operated by a foot, and a cable wrap keeps the power lead neat and tidy. The T10-1 Eco-Efficiency uses a special 750 watt motor that reduces electricity consumption by 40%, but only loses a tiny fraction of the cleaning performance. This is thanks to the way we've optimised the machine's airflow. It's therefore ideal for daily use where carpets and hard floors are vacuumed regularly. And because the motor is small, noise is dramatically reduced to only 59 decibels, making the machine ideal for use in noise-sensitive areas. The machine has a 10-litre capacity, and access to the dust bag is simple. Just release 2 clips, take off the head, and remove the large filter. The filter also enables the machine to be used without a bag, if the area being cleaned is fairly dust-free. Thanks to the kettle-type plug on the T10-1 Eco-Efficiency, the cable can easily be replaced with just a screwdriver, without the need to call out an engineer. The floor tool can be quickly switched when cleaning carpets and hard floors. The T10-1 Eco-Efficiency Vacuum Cleaner from Karcher, proving that great performance and true eco-credentials can go together.